Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we're going to take a small portion of the tissue and fold it from the top. Now using thumb, we're going to twist it like this. So keep doing it like we're doing here in this video. After this, take a stick and roll the rest of the tissue paper on the top of it. Look how we're doing here in this video. And look, it's done. Finally tie a knot using rubber band. We're also adding some color. Now we're going to make the bouquet. So we're going to keep adding some paper, wrap it, and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful rose flower bouquet using craft paper. First, we're going to make the cone and stuff it with the tissue paper. We're also pasting this pink base on the top using glue. Now take a circular pink craft paper and cut the spiral line like we're doing here. Now we're going to carve the edges as well. Now take a bamboo stick or a toothpick. Now we're going to roll it like this. We're making the rose flower here, so roll it like we're doing here in this video and paste it using glue, and rose flower is ready. Make more such flower and your bouquet is done. We're going to use paper cup and then make multiple cut. After this, we're going to cut it and make the flower. Draw the eyes and the smiley face. Keep it aside. Now take A4 sheet of paper. Make multiple fold here. Now press it and roll it using this tape. And we're going to paste the flower at the center and put a bow as well, and your bouquet is ready. Here we're going to take this yellow color of craft paper and draw two circles. This is for the symmetry of the flower. Cut the flower petals and look, it's ready. Now cut a brown circle, paste all of them together, the leaves and the stick, and it's ready. Let's make this beautiful flower bouquet. So we're going to tear the paper into two. After this, we're going to make multiple folds here, and using this tape, or you can also take a wire, we're going to hold it and tie it at the center. Put some color on the side of it, and then we're going to spread it like this. We're making the flower here, so remove the paper like we're doing here, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. After doing this, we're going to wrap it. So we're going to put the stick and leaves as well, and look, it's done. Let's wrap this flower now. So we're going to cut these shapes from the craft paper, hold it from the bottom part and make pleats. As you can see, we're going to tie a knot at the bottom part using this cello tape, and look, it's ready. Paste a bow finally, and it's done. Let's make these beautiful and colorful flower. First, we're going to cut a square craft paper. As you can see how we are folding it from the center part and make a mini square. Now cut it from the side. After this, we're going to paste all of them using glue, and look, your flower is ready. After this, we're going to make the leaf as well. So cut two leaves. Similarly, we're going to roll another paper and paste all the flower and sticks together, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.